Hello everyone, welcome for the day 1 Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions. Day 1 we have formula upper. This function helps us to convert all text string into capital letters or uppercase. You may use cell reference or directly supply the string within the formula. Let us learn how to use this. Always begin your formula with is equal to symbol and start typing the formula itself. Open bracket. Either you can supply string or directly reference to us. Let me show you both the methods. Number one, I'll show you how do I supply the string and convert them into uppercase. So always use double quotes whenever you supply text into the formula, like this, and always close with double quotes again. And this one, whatever entered in lowercase will be converted into uppercase, like this. Right? Method 2, I can use a cell reference like this, upper, and directly click on the cell where the text I want to convert it to uppercase and press enter. That's it. Here you learned day 1 first formula upper successfully. Happy learning. Subscribe for more videos.